So before this video gets started, if you want a super easy way to make money right now, there's an app called Get Upside. They pay you money to upload a picture of your gas receipt every time you go to the gas station, you fill up gas. All you have to do is go to one of the gas stations in the app, take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get up to 25 cents back per gallon that you fill up. So I'm talking like a couple bucks back every single time you fill up gas. And if you use my link and code, you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon. So that means on the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents back per gallon. I use it, and you can redeem the cash for Amazon gift cards, Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, PayPal money, or just sent directly to your bank account, or even a check sent to your door. Yeah, even a check sent to you. But yeah, the app is called Get Upside. Please use the link. You will not regret it. Stop paying full price for gas. And yeah, you can start making money today. So use the link down below. Okay, now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. Thank you so much for coming by. So today's video, I'm talking about a huge breaking news update in the app for Uber drivers. And I actually have this functionality in my app where we can now set our own rates as drivers for picking up riders. So that's pretty crazy. I honestly think it's an absolute joke though. I think it has to do with what California is trying to make Uber, force Uber to make their drivers employees. And I think that they're just saying, oh, you want to play, you want to play the hard way? Well, we're going to make it so drivers have to pay money for Drive Pass, which, by the way, guys, I need to make a whole video on that, exposing Uber, because, okay, I don't want this to become a whole hate video channel, but like, guys, do you realize that Uber is charging drivers for this thing called Drive Pass and making drivers buy ride requests? It's not even rides. They're making them spend 30, well, they're not making them, but they're giving them the option to spend 30 bucks for 10 commission-free ride requests. So if for whatever reason it's a $2 ride and you say, well, I just spent $3 on that ride and I don't need to pay the 25% commission. Well, okay, maybe not $2. I think that's below. Even if it's a $5 ride, usually the 25% of that would be what, $1? What's 25% of $1.25, right? Whatever. But you spent $3 for that ride request, so you're gonna deny it. So you just lost money because now you just lost that. There's a lot of gaping holes in the Drive Pass thing that Uber's trying to do. But now this one, now they're saying, oh, drivers, yeah, set your own rates. We don't even care anymore. It's dumb. I think they're just doing this to kind of get back at the government, to show them, hey, look, we tried to make it work. We tried to give drivers employee type. I think that's what they're trying to do. They're gonna basically say, oh, well, we tried to give drivers and drivers are unhappy. Drivers want to make it back. That's exactly what they're doing. They're gonna say, oh, you want drivers to become employees? We tried everything. We introduced these things and drivers hate it. Yeah, because they suck. They're doing this on purpose. They're coming out with the worst possible features to make it so that like people don't want to become employees. So anyways, let me sync up my phone here and I'm going to show you my Uber app on how I can actually well, let's look at this article really quick. Here we go. Uber lets some California drivers set their own prices. Let's hear what NBC News has to say. On Thursday, Uber expanded the number of California cities where drivers can set their own rates as a function of the company's price multiplier used in Uber's so-called surge pricing. The move builds on a pricing experiment that began in January in Palm Springs, in Sacramento. Under the new plan, which was announced late last month, San Francisco were added. Previously, drivers had no ability to set their own rates, which was one of the primary critiques of proponents of AB 5. the state law that took effect at the beginning of the year. The law attempts to ensure that so-called gig economy workers are considered employees rather than independent contractors. Under state labor law, employees are eligible for consideration benefits, including workers' compensation, unemployment, unionization rights, and more. Numerous companies, including Uber, save millions annually by avoiding such financial costs. That's the issue, guys. That's the whole thing. It's like in the AB5, the government was like, well, drivers can't set their own rates, so they should be, as independent contractors, they should be able to set their own rates. I guess that was one of their arguments. Doesn't make sense though to allow drivers to set their own rates. I mean, like, if a passenger sees a ride and they have to pay $20, they're not going to accept it. Uber's already made it, you know, so cheap for riders, so that like they know what the ride should cost. They're just gonna deny the ride. And drivers have already reported that their rides have been getting denied when they set their own rates. I would say that Uber continues to show great flexibility in modifying and adapting both their business model and working relationships with their drivers, yet somehow refuse to put on that creative thinking cap to figure out how to provide flexibility to employees. Okay, I want to keep this video short. I just want to show you guys you know, what my app looks like, just so I can show you how it looks like in the app. I'm sorry, I'm out of it today. Here we go. Drive passes here. Buy Drive Pass for a select number of trips and pay 0% service fee for those trips. 0% service fee for up to 10 requests. Yet you're paying for Drive Pass. I'm sorry guys, this whole Drive Pass thing is crazy though. I want to see where I can set my own rates though, that's the thing. Oh wow, there's an Uber podcast now. Uber podcast. We're excited to introduce a podcast series created for those who drive and deliver with Uber. Episodes will focus on sharing the information you need and providing answers to common questions. Click below to view our podcast library and the most recent episodes. Maybe I should be on this podcast. Set your own fare in California. Wow, they even made a whole podcast about it. Here we go. Driving preferences. Your vehicle is currently only eligible for UberX, blah, blah, blah. I actually, guys, how do I turn on Uber Eats? I've been trying to figure out how do I turn Uber Eats on in here. If any of you guys do Uber Eats, where do I click to also do Uber Eats in here? But here we go, auto pricing, using default prices. So if I click no, open to trips that pay this fare multiplier or higher. Set higher or lower fares for your trips. So you can do a fare multiplier. So let's just search fares. Get higher. Riders may not accept trips with higher fares. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna go on and do a 5x fare multiplier. Surge fares. Get higher fares if surge pricing is higher than your multiple fare. Alright guys, I'm going on with 5x up. Let's see if I get any rides. Oh, I need to take a photo of myself. Hold on, let me get my mask. I'm assuming they're doing this to get me to show that I'm wearing a mask. Ugh. Just poked my eye. It's not working? Are they scamming me? They're gonna be like, oh, you're not wearing your mask. Okay, no, they verified it. Confirm, okay. Now I need to take a photo of myself with a mask. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. You guys see what we have to go through in order to, I won't drive if I have, okay, I disinfect my vehicle at the start and end of each day. Okay, ready to drive. Okay, now I have my 5x multiplier on, right? Oh, now available for pickup or delivery. Already got a ride request. Where's my 5x multiplier? What the heck? I thought I was getting a 5x multiplier. No, what the heck? They turned on my fare my auto pricing. I just want to try with 5x and see if I get anything. Because if I do, that'd be hilarious if somebody accidentally accepted a trip where I'm getting like if I make $100 on a 5-minute ride, that'd be hilarious. It's weird though that they took me off of that thing of the thing of setting my own rates. Anyways, I don't think I'm gonna get any rides, but I just want to share with you guys. That's me. Thank you all for watching today's video though. I appreciate it. Let me know what your thoughts are on all this. I think it's kind of a joke, but I mean, maybe I could put it up to like 2x and maybe that will be like a happy medium. But if I could get like 2x surge all the time, then yeah. But anyways, let me know. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all soon. And again, if you do Uber Eats, if you could please let me know how I can accept Uber Eats rides, because I don't want to go out and do actually Uber. I just want to do Uber Eats. If I can only do Uber Eats, let me know. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.